Okay, welcome guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating this flyer. It's a continuation for flyer design series, and this is the flyer we did in the previous tutorial. You can check the link. You can check the link down and you can watch it, or you check the videos in the channel and continue with this today. And so let's get started. When you open your Photoshop, you have something like home and create new. So we're using 736 and 841 width and height for the size of the work, and we're using pixels, orientation portrait, resolution is 400. I click on this artboard because of the designs, and color mode is RGB color. So let's create. Good. So for the purpose of tutorial, we need something as a reference. So we're going to choose place embedded and look for our work and choose it. We're going to bring it down to this side and click enter. Good. So what we're gonna do is we start with our text, and we're gonna start with healing. We're changing it to black so that we can see. Oh wow! So the first one we're using is Amora. Yes, alright, we're using Amora. Increase the size, make sure it's centered. Good. And type in and reduce it. Pick it up here and reduce the size. Okay, so we're bringing this one down. Type miracle. Healing and miracle sounding. That's all. And the font that we use here is Microsoft by Lou. So we're choosing both. Okay, good. So that's what we're using, and we're using typing Sunday. What we're using for the Sunday is Amstrash. One is Amstrash. Okay, we're not using Amstrash. We're using Stone. Stone. Should be Amstrad. I guess there's a mistake there. Okay, and that's the mistake. So let's check the name of the font again here. Yeah, it is Amstrad. Okay, we're using Amtrash. That's the name of the font. So we're going to put it right here. Okay, good. So we're going to layer effects and gradient overlay. So what we use the gradient is we use the first one to be orange, second one to be dark, and the location is 52, and the third one to be red, and we use the angle to be 35 degrees. The scale is 100, and blend mode is normal, the opacity is 100. So click OK. Yeah, easy. Good. So the next thing we're going to be working on is we're going to change the color of this text also to green. And where I pick it from, okay, let's just hold on. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our file, and this brush, the painting brush and background. So we're bringing it down here. Great. Try to reduce it a little. Okay, so we go to select subject, and Ctrl J and relate the one that has the background. Okay, good. So we're gonna go back to our folder and bring this church photograph. Push down, reduce the size. We are reducing the size, okay? Break it down, and we press enter. Move the cursor, the mouse on it, and at the between the layer and the church photograph, press Alt until your mouse down to an arrow and a rectangle pointing down. So we're gonna click OK, enter. So enter. And we're gonna go again to our folder. We're gonna bring is Photoshop. Press enter. We're going to reduce it. We're going to go to select subjects, and press Ctrl J, and we're reducing it. Bring it down here. So we'll just follow it there. I'm going to just bring it down also here. Okay, great. So we have arranged. So we're changing the color of the Sunday text to green, using thick green, and try to increase it. By clicking on OK, 28. You are typing this date, 28 April 2025. Change the color to black. And increasing it a little by using area font. Using area font. Good. And Go down here and type 9 a.m. and change it to bold and white color. Okay, great. The next thing we're doing is we're working on the tag. Choose your rectangle tool. Something like compressor. Let's tag. So using regular and we're using Amora for power too wide. First layer and we'll bring it up. We're typing night. We're using the font that we're using is Stone Scripts bold. So we have it. Power now. We're using area for the location. We're using Christ's power. Let's follow church. Meta option. Cool. Approve, yeah. Press Enter. We're gonna go to our folder and bring the church logo. Let's go again. Okay, let's try to go ahead and get this. Center. Let's reduce it. We'll go to select object. Okay. Delete this. No, let's just Let's just borrow. Let's duplicate this and bring it up. Okay. So we're gonna go to our part. Okay, let's start. This is a little. Duplicate. Sense. I'm gonna go to increase it to 900. Okay. So the next thing we're doing is looking for the location icon we use here, and we go to border again and bring it down to this. Press enter, go to subject and choose select subject and Ctrl J, then we delete background. Just bring it down. Oh, don't. Press enter. Okay. So the next thing we're going to be working on is to bring up the background that we use. Let's go. The background. Paste. Our use, we go to photo and bring background. Let's go increase it. Okay. And we bring it down. Try to reduce the opacity to 60 or 63, about, and we try to erase this place so that our text will show. Now, okay. And we bring to our product again and bring this to Photoshop and we bring it down. Enter. And we reduce the opacity. Yeah. We erase the edge. And we change the layer mode to something like let's use overlay. Using overlay and by trying to increase the opacity again. Okay. The last thing we're using okay. Okay. We'll bring this down also to Photoshop. Good. We'll bring it down. And we choose overlay. Okay, we use highlight instead of overlay. We use highlight, something like let's use pin light. It's actually very cool. So we're going to here, and then we might need to move it, reduce it, and it there. And the next thing, bring the background. Photoshop. And we erase the let's move it a little. And erase. Reduce the opacity to something 50. Good. Even the background, try to reduce the opacity again to something like something like 50 or 49. Okay, good. Let's bring the golden lens flare. Reduce it. Change it to something like screen. Change it to something like screen. Good. Yeah. I think we're done with this. We're done with this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, please comment, and please subscribe. And if you have any things you want us to work on, you can comment, and you can also send us. Also, you can like if you click the like button if you actually enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.